The living room is about to become the most powerful room in your house, and it's all because of a small black box that Apple has been keeping secret for nearly 4 years. If you're sitting there with a smart TV that feels a little sluggish, or a streaming stick that's constantly buffering, you need to stop everything. Because the 2026 Apple TV 4K isn't just a minor update, it's a total reimagining of what your television can actually do. We are talking about a device that is part cinema, part gaming console, and part AI supercomputer. For the last few years, Apple has been strangely quiet in the home entertainment space. While the iPhone, the iPad, and the Mac have seen massive leaps in silicon, the Apple TV 4K has been sitting on the sidelines. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But today, the silence is breaking. We've been scouring supply chain reports from Asia, analyst leaks from Wall Street, and internal whispers from Cupertino to bring you the definitive picture of the next-generation Apple TV. And trust me, if you buy the current model today, you are going to regret it in 6 months. Let's dive into the heart of the revolution: silicon. The current Apple TV runs on the A15 Bionic, which is a fantastic chip, but it's becoming the bottleneck for what Apple really wants to do. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is rumored to be making a massive jump, not to the A16, but likely straight to the A17 Pro or even the A18 chip. Why does this matter for a device that just plays movies? Because of one word: gaming. Apple is officially coming for the PlayStation and the Xbox. With the A17 Pro's hardware-accelerated ray tracing, the next Apple TV will be able to run AAA titles like Resident Evil, Assassin's Creed Mirage, and Death Stranding natively. This isn't cloud gaming. This is local, high-fidelity performance. Imagine sitting on your couch, picking up a controller, and playing console-quality games on a device that's smaller than a sandwich. The Apple TV is being repositioned as the console killer for the casual and mid-core market. It's the Trojan horse that will bring high-end gaming into millions of living rooms that don't want a giant, noisy box under the TV. But it's not just about the games. It's about the intelligence. 2026 is the year of Apple Intelligence, and the Apple TV is finally getting its brain transplant. The new model is expected to feature 8 GB of RAM, the magic number required to run Apple's on-device AI models. This means a Siri that actually works. We've all been there, screaming at the remote because Siri didn't understand the name of a movie or a director. With the new Apple Intelligence integration, Siri becomes a true digital concierge. You'll be able to say things like, "Find me that thriller movie where the guy is stuck on an island, but only the ones with a high Rotten Tomatoes score," and it will actually understand you. It will be able to summarize shows you've missed, create custom workout plans in Apple Fitness Plus, and manage your entire smart home with natural language commands. Speaking of the smart home, the 2026 Apple TV 4K is set to become the ultimate hub. It's going to debut Apple's new N1 networking chip. This is a big deal. It brings Wi-Fi 7 support to the living room, which is crucial for 4K and 8K streaming. While 8K content is still rare, the bandwidth of Wi-Fi 7 ensures that you have zero lag, even if everyone else in the house is on their phones. It also strengthens the Thread and Matter support, making your smart lights, locks, and cameras respond instantly. No more updating. Status in the Home app. Everything just works, faster than you can blink.